Hi everyone, Richie Powell here with Coastal PDR Training. What I'd like to talk today about is our courses we offer here. So my experience with training is even 4 weeks to 12 weeks to 1 week. It's hard for a lot of people to commit without knowing, can we even do the training? This is a highly skilled trade and not everyone can do it. So what I'm offering and what I'm announcing today is our 2-day Introductory PDR Course. And what that entails is 2 days here at the shop with 24-hour access. That is one of the benefits of coming to train with us. You will get a key to our shop where you can continue to practice in the evening or come in early in the morning to maximize your 2 days here with us. So basically what this course is designed for is to introduce you to the tools, the tapper, the procedure, the method, and as well as explain how to properly get started. Because with anything, yes, you can learn it on your own, you can watch videos, you can read books, but I'm a hands-on guy. So I like to train that way as well, and for me, it's definitely beneficial, as well as the trainings that we've had here, it's been beneficial to them as well. So if you are a hands-on person and you do want to try this trade, I do recommend the 2-day Introductory PDR course that we are launching. We've had great success with it so far. It's at a minimal cost. So you can reach us at 252-489-8499 or visit us on the web at coastalpdrtraining.com. And please take advantage of this. We are booking up quick. We have some availability at this point, the end of February, going into March. So give us a call today, visit the website, and see how we can help launch a PDR career. Thank you, and have a great day.